Dear Rentals Club members, today I'm with Tess Brown. She works at Beyond, and Beyond, as you may know, is going to be one of the key exhibitors at the VITUR Summit. So in the course of our partnership with VITUR, what we decided is to get the best speakers to start giving us a preview of what VITUR Summit is going to be about. Without further ado, let's welcome Tess. Tess, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Thank you for having me.
Well, you're most welcome. I'm fine, and as I was saying, I'm very curious to hear more about maybe Beyond and more about you, Tess. Can you give us some background, please?
Sure. I am Tess. I've worked at Beyond for over 2 years now. I currently lead business operations and strategy for our European team. So essentially figuring out how we can grow, keep, and retain our customers, and servicing all short-term vacation rental markets with a full suite of revenue management tools. So Beyond has been active for about 8 years now. We started as property managers in San Francisco. One of our co-founders created a dynamic pricing tool for them to use on their own property management properties. And then we realized there was a great market for that. So ended up selling that as our software as a service tool, and then expanded with additional products such as a website builder and a channel manager. So out here in Europe, we're focusing on the dynamic pricing piece, servicing that to our customers and prospects.
That's fantastic. And as you say, out there in Europe, because obviously you yourself, you're based in Europe, and how big is the team in Europe, and how would people be able to meet them at the VITUR Summit, for example?
Yes, yeah, we have a full team out here in Europe. We have over 20 people now. Our office is based in Barcelona, and then we have another hub with our engineers in Lisbon, in Portugal. I myself am currently traveling in the UK right now for a different conference, but normally based in Barcelona. And we'll have a full team at VITUR Summit next week. So there'll be about 5 of us going. We have a couple members of our customer success team, our sales team, and also our revenue managers. So if property managers wanted to get a preview on their portfolio to see what we could do for them, we have a full team for them to meet.
That's fantastic. 5 people that people watching now will be able to meet. That's great to show how fully engaged you are with VITUR Summit. Thanks for that. Mm-hmm. And by the way, if people watching this don't know, it is in Malaga, 28th, 29th of October, obviously. So it's still time to get there if you want to. You have a full week. Last question for you, and for maybe something interesting for property managers to hear about is maybe like one key trend that you may have noticed and you could be sharing with us today, please.
Yeah, so one of the key trends that we're seeing right now is with the opening of different borders, we're starting to see a lot more customer confidence, so guest confidence in booking further in advance. So I think the number one thing that we're recommending all of our customers to do is look at next summer, 2022, and really figure out what occupancy do they have available, what properties are going to be their key properties, and then make sure that they have a pricing strategy to fit that, because we're starting to see a lot of bookings pick up for some of the key vacation rental markets. So ideally, laser focusing on next summer, now that the world has started to open back up again.
That's super interesting. And once again, if people attending, I guess, Tess, that people attending VITUR Summit can come and talk with people from your team to better understand how to address maybe this needs and see, how to best surf on these new trends happening. That's going to be a great things, great service for them. Thank you so much for your time today. And I wish you the best for this conference weeks, basically.
Perfect. Thank you for having me. I appreciate the time.
Take care.